Hi guys, I'm so thankful to see you coming into this channel and keep supporting me by watching my video. For those who are new to my channel, I humbly request you to kindly subscribe to my channel so that you may get the latest update from my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you chili plantation, about how our farmer used to plant. This is the chili field which I'm going to show you today. It's really beautiful. It's purely organic. No hard is applied in this farming. Come on, let's move on. Let's move on. Let's move on. Let's move on. Wow, it's really beautiful.
These are the huts where the owner of this field used to take shelter. It is fully made of bamboo. It looks so wonderful. It's amazing. It's beautiful. So now I'm gonna show you the chili plants, the views of the chili fields. You can see so many red, ripe chili fruits are hanging. It's almost everywhere. You can see so many red fruit. Today we're gonna enjoy plucking the red fruit. The whole day we're gonna enjoy. It's really beautiful. Wow.
You can see a lot of thousands of chili plant. King chili. Thousands of king chilies are growing like anything. Whoa, it's really wonderful. It's amazing. I have never seen this much chili plantations in my life. I hope you will like it. See, very tall. It's really crazy. It's really crazy. Whoa, it's like a showers of blessing from amazing. Let's go there. 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 Everybody, let's go there. Everybody. Everybody, 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 let's go there. Everybody, amazing. It's beautiful and amazing and crazy. Feel I have never seen. I have never ever seen this much good. You will like it. Lay, 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 lay. Gotta go there and see next down there again. Let's go. Covered by chili plants. I'm gonna go down there. Let's go down. Let's go down, down, down. Whoa. Thousands of chili plants everywhere. You see how our farmer is plugging. This chili field is fully covered by thousands of chili plants. It is only king chili or Naga chili. You see? This is very hot, okay? If you eat one piece of this fruit, you'll cry a lot. You can see thousands of chili is fully covered by king chili. Now I have to help this farmer plucking this ripe fruit. So come on, let's start. Oh, it's really interesting to pluck. Come on. Now he's selecting the fully red one because we have collected all this half red and fully red one. We have to collect even this one also because if we don't pluck all this one and this one, if we don't pluck even this one, you will get red by one night. So we have to collect. We have to pluck all this. This is the. This is the this. This is this. So I'm gonna go down there and meet the owner of this field. So let's go down. So this is the owner of this field. So we're gonna ask him some questions right now.
Liangmai dialect.
Hasi nugu tira lu si ngogu yuzanga senaliu si kai nija kade fui kai nija video number le mai mukubam ga rai ga nu nalam ga poina aliu tiu lu si rai kai kilo.
Yo, thank you de. Yi sin de no mai ajan sini Lungjinbou. Yi tetin katin mai thakum de tira lu ati kam jiu sarane selung sa khai jiu. Poina khade uiji bame hai bulu hai se tin kom samriu atai hanggabi bo mariwe hai ga kam sara bu har patam bam sune ji kam bame sini kambo ga sarane sulung sa khaju widi wi bame in want to 20 we.
Next question. Nulu si haji bu bazam si wi ba me aga bang de ju kumbo chura bang si liu khai ma ro kum lo.
Ini kamaning sira kamakom sira bang sangkari kumbo bami sune ji makom bame
Sai ma song hai bang sang kri kumbo ba du sai na liu na amu ku ga ba mo ko na na ma ku ga ba mo si ji what you ga pan mi ra boy. Next question. I bought Nulu Chira Luga Sana Kulong ga kilometer is kumbu bambo.
kilometer sum kumbo bam sune
Bam hai ju manga na le juja hai ba bam ga Chira Ulu biye ju si mang kam hai.
yo hai se diu de no sararam tan kum atai renew hangkami bo kdiye siniu wilu sune ji diu da de men kam bam boy
Pon gye sai thoi ra nugu Chira si asi hata kha ga ura be be de ji kumbo rai ba bam
kering mesra pura baik greenya hata khalung garai duwe
Pon gye next question. Sai tim kong kha ga kumbo wang sai Chira si ka kibo ji de ji kumbo kambal lu si go.
Ini makumra tin kum khat boga diwang sara biji kainiar new diu sune ti makumme
Next question. Sai nugu Chira Luga si hapta kha ga urabe bekrunya si rai ga par ga si na longa bekrunya si detiu zai na huang lo hadi na bekrunya si rai palu za tliu na chalu za ngam huang ngam ka poi na ding kha.
yo I bekrinya huam se arwanan raingam laju khangka khania dora landelan khaye khadi munde ga sene jimelo jing ju saturday gatang ju khailu ju huang boy awulam ga
Pon gye sai nugu Chira Luga in kam si mai song ham ne lag dai lang yu asi compulsory dora ba mi nugu in kam si che yu kha ga si sang tai kum ra compulsory si ba mi ne sai nugu in kam si ra gong siu wi ja mai go in kam song di wi ba mi ne de liang na ru gang gi bo me la men ja mai bang chu ja part time gang ba mai si di che yu kha ga sam kai di do tang ma mai ma keng ne ba moi.
Guys, today we come to know that this man is really working hard and he is earning a lot of money by his sweat. And we know that his earning is from a very clean source. So we thank and acknowledge him for showing us good example of walks of his life. Please like and share the video. And please give a comment on the video. So I'm gonna be showing you in my next video different chili fields owned by our farmers. So please subscribe to my channel.